I'm okay with it. Mosquito chicken!
Good morning, friends.
Where are you going with your suitcase?
To someone's house.
Yeah. We are heading to a friend's house this morning. She's getting her household goods in today, and so we're going to help her with that this morning. And we'll check in with you guys when we're done. Obviously, I'm not going to take the camera along because, you know, it's somebody else's house and everything. So, but I'll check in with you when we get back. Alexa's looking pretty cute. She wanted to take her suitcase, so she's got some things to do while we're there and some food to snack on. What do you got in your suitcase?
Food.
No, you don't have to show me. Can you tell me what you pack in there?
M&M's.
What else? Besides food, what else did you pack?
Fishies.
I know, but besides food, did you take your colored pencils and your coloring book? And your tablet? Yeah. Are you pretty excited?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
How do you open this door?
Like this.
Okay. Okay. Would you please do me? Who's ready for the show? Me. No. Me. Me. No. Me. Yes. Hi, everyone. I'm a beautiful dress. Sorry. Hi, friends. I have a special dog.
Hey everybody, thank you for joining us again today. Sorry it was kind of all over the place. We helped our friend get her household goods and stuff in today, and then me and Alexa grabbed lunch with her afterwards. I got Hope from her babysitting class. She had a good babysitting class today. The girls knocked out some more schoolwork this afternoon, and then other than that we didn't really do much this afternoon, so I don't think we filmed very much this afternoon. So it was just kind of a lazy, like, sit around the house and get stuff done day. So, but we are going to call it a night. Thank you guys for sticking around with us. I know it's just been crazy the last couple of weeks, and you know, we're just trying to get back in the feel for things and everything. So appreciate you guys sticking around with us, and if you like our videos, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, hit that subscribe button down there. We'd love to have you, and we will check in with you again tomorrow. Bye.
Good morning, friends. Would you like to look at my delicious waffle breakfast? It's chocolate chip waffles covered in syrup. Yum. Most people say ew, but I'm okay with it.
Well, I'm getting ready to prep dinner tonight. 9:30 in the morning, starting dinner. I have to marinate the chicken. We're doing some mesquite chicken tonight, so I got to get that started. It has to marinate for like 8 hours or something, and so I'm going to marinate that so that we can grill it when Dad gets home from work today. So I'm going to get these mesquite chickens made.
Wait, what kind of chicken are we having?
Mesquite chicken.
Mosquito chicken? Mosquito chicken?
No, not mosquito chicken.
Yeah, mosquito chicken.
No, mesquite chicken.
Mosquito.
Mesquite.
Mosquito.
Mesquite.
Mosquito. Oh.
Mesquite. No O.
Oh.
No O. Cailyn's being a goofball. We're just having some fun this morning. Hope's at her babysitting class, and Alexa's still sleeping, so it's really just me and Cailyn here to goof off. I mean, she is getting schoolwork done. Don't worry, we're not just all goofing off, but you gotta have a little fun, right?
Yes.
What are you
Poke
working
in the
on?
belly.
What are you working on right now? For school?
Science.
Science. Okay. What are you learning about?
Yoo-hoo.
Anything
Yoo-hoo.
interesting?
Yoo-hoo. Coral reefs.
Coral reefs. What do you know about coral reefs that you can tell us?
Coral reefs are actually plants, and they don't go deeper than 250 feet because they eat off of their algae in their bodies, mixes with the sun, and that produces their food.
My little smart child here.
You didn't say yoo-hoo.
Yoo-hoo!
Yay!
You missed it. Alexa was having a complete and utter meltdown about going to bed. I told her if she stopped crying instantly, she could watch a movie in her room, and she immediately stopped crying. You have to go to bed.
No, I want to watch a movie.
Are you gonna stop crying?
Yes.
Okay, what movie are you gonna watch?
La La Lucy.
Oh, okay. Well, you enjoy your. Why you got no clothes on?
Because I don't want it. It's too hot.
It's too hot?
Yes.
Yeah, Alexa said it's too hot, so she wants to sleep in her underwear.
Bye, La Lucy.
I don't blame her. It's pretty hot today.
Bye, not
This is the time.
La Lucy.
Daddy's looking. Calm down. It's days like today when it got up into the 90s, honey. That living in Germany sucks because there's no AC because you can't cool down. We got all the fans going. It actually feels really nice sitting in front of this fan, but I know it's supposed to cool down tonight, so we're going to open all the rolatins and try to get some good airflow in the house tonight to help cool the house down, but it's supposed to be pretty hot, so it sucks. You have to watch something else, honey.
How about what?
Barbie? I love you.
A Marine, an Air Force pilot, and an Army Ranger were all stranded after a helicopter crash on a desert island. Okay?
Okay.
They get captured by cannibals. The cannibal leader says, I have good news for you and I have bad news for you. Bad news is we're going to kill you all and use your skins as canoes after we eat you. The good news is I'll let you all decide how you want to die. The Marine says, well, I want to go first. I want a gun. The cannibal hands him his gun. He shoots himself in the head. The Air Force pilot says, I want to die by poison. That'll kill me instantly. The cannibal hands him over poison. The Army Ranger says, can I have a fork? And the cannibal leader goes, a fork? Okay, whatever. I'll allow you to die by fork. And he takes the fork and he starts stabbing himself all over. And he says, you and your canoe.